The weather go to court. Forensic meteorology. The witness testified that she had heard the defendant confess to stealing a car. She was sitting on a park bench, she said, when the defendant, speaking loudly and pointing forcefully toward the parking lot, told another man he had just checked that silver Toyota. She said she could easily overheard it because the defendant was standing only about 50 yards north of her. She knew it was him because she was on a small hill where she could easily see him. The prosecu- the prosecu- the prosecutor thanked her and she sat down. It was the defense attorney's turn. His strategy was to make the jury doubt what they had just heard. She called the new witness a meteorologist. People throughout the courtroom wondered why call the weather expert. The expert confidently stated that it had been sunny with excellent visibility on the day in question. Weather records said so. Could the previous witness have seen the defendant talking? The weather would not have been a problem, the expert said. Could she have overheard what he said? Well, the way she described it, probably not. The wind was a bit strong that day, out of the southwest at about 50 miles per hour. He was noticed of her, and standing on a hill, sound waves heading into wind yet pushed upward. By the time they had traveled 50 yards, they would have been too high to reach her ears. This case exhibits how meteorology can be considered a branch of forensic science. The term forensic comes from a Latin word that means arguing for or against a position. In common modern usage, it means the practice of discovering material that can be used in court cases or other disputes. Science from anthropology or zoology have been put to forensic use. Forensic meteorology can contribute to the picture of the conditions surrounding a crime or an accident, rather than providing a forecast of what the weather might be in the future. Forensic meteorologists specialize in backcasts of what the weather was at a given time in the past. Weather phenomena have been measured and carefully recorded for hundreds of years. In the United States, daily records of air temperature, sky conditions, precipitation, and wind are available for almost any inhabited place. What was the weather in New York like for George Washington's 1789 inauguration as the first president? Clear skies with a high temperature of 59 Fahrenheit degrees. Anyone with an internet connection can find that information in 5 minutes without any assistance from a highly paid meteorologist.